Necessity is the mother of invention. So I met an awesome American dude in Hua Hin from Pennsylvania. Super friendly guy who works on helicopters, mostly doing forestry work and firefighting. He introduced me to a few classic Thai meals. One of them's called Khao Soi. My friend's name is Bill. Hopefully I can convince him to share a bit of his story one day. It's a story about an American pilot who loves Thailand as much as he does flying, who goes for a month every year and will probably retire there. A man who respects the people of Thailand and their culture. It's a good story. He's even got his own plane. How cool is that? He took me to this little restaurant. It's got a bit of a Japanese feel to it, but that could just be my lack of cultural awareness. Or maybe there's something to that. A Japanese architect, Japanese mother-in-law. There's a bit of a debate about how this particular meal manifested itself in Thailand. In Chiang Mai, to be more specific. Northwestern Thailand, to be exact. Some say it was in the 19th century. Others are saying it's much earlier, the 15th or 16th century. Essentially, it was Chinese Muslim workers that came down into northern Thailand working. They brought their recipes from back home. And they shared their recipes, I guess. It's peculiar that the name Khao Soi means cut rice or sliced rice, because in the Thai Khao Soi, there is no rice. It's made with egg noodles. Some similar Burmese and Laotian dishes are made with rice noodles. It sure seems like the original recipe must have contained rice, though. Khao Soi. But maybe the mystery of the origins of Khao Soi is easily solved. When cultures combine, so do their recipes.
Is there special chairs?
And sometimes we get really lucky and create a masterpiece. Khao Soi is pretty good. Borderline masterpiece. There's that age-old expression, necessity is the mother of invention. When we move to a new place, sometimes we can't find the ingredients for the recipes we used to make back home. So we substitute a few things, which creates a new recipe. Or maybe we really love some of the spices that the people in our new home are using, so we add them to our old recipes. Boom. Necessity is the mother of invention. Maybe the simplest example is fish and chips with curry sauce. This is the Indian influence on British people. Or how about a Hawaiian pizza? Not sure what's going on with that or how that came about. And fish and chip shops didn't used to have curry sauce. There's one other meal I should probably mention because my family's really been enjoying this one. Tikka masala lasagna, or any kind of curry lasagna. Just substitute your tomato sauce with curry sauce. It is phenomenal. You gotta try it. So I guess my theory about the origins of Khao Soi is quite simple. It's all to do with that expression. Necessity is the mother of invention. When you really think about it, that's how all of the recipes we use today came to us. Every single one of them. Recipes are all a work in progress.
Thank you.
So I got the Khao Soi with crispy chicken. There's soft noodles in there, there's hard noodles, there's the chicken, there's the broth. There's onions and little things like that. On the side we have onions. We have some type of pickled arrangement here. This stuff is really good. It really adds a nice sour flavor to the meal. But these things are pickled. I'm not quite sure what they are. Very close to pickles. And some hot sauce. This stuff is amazing. So you can order this meal and then you can add heat as you go along to make it the right temperature for you. But I would recommend a couple large dollops of these spices. It's very, very good, very tasty. It's a coconut base for this curry. The flavors of this meal compete with itself in your mouth, and once you take a mouthful and you eat it, if you wait a minute after that, you get all kinds of taste explosions going on in your mouth, which is very typical for Thai food. The staff at this restaurant are very accommodating, very nice people. They just do their thing.